Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add credit or debit card in your PayPal account. So if you also want to add credit or debit card in your PayPal account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open PayPal application. You can see over here PayPal is opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now if you want to add credit or debit card, all you have to do is tap on the wallet icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your wallet interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for add credit cards. All you have to do is tap on it. Now look at the bottom. You'll be able to see two options over here. Banks, debit and credit cards. All you have to do is tap on the second option, debit and credit cards. Now you'll be able to see two options for linking your card. Scan your card, enter your card info. If you want to scan your card, simply tap on the option scan your card. But if you want to enter your card info, all you have to do is tap on the option enter your card info. Now you'll have to provide your card number, expiration and CVV over here. Tap on the box card number. Now enter your card number. Now enter the expiration date. Simply tap on the box expiration. Now enter the month and year. Now enter the CVV. Now after that, all you have to do is tap on the option link card. After that, your card will be linked. So that is how you add credit or debit card in PayPal account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.